I'd like to firstly congratulate Bimal for his perseverance. As you heard, that he's been making movies, or at least been connected to making movies in Fiji. This is very, very unnerving, because all I can see is a light. I can't see any one of you. But he's been wonderful in that sense. And it is great to see former Fijians, people who've lived here and have chosen to live in other countries now, coming back to Fiji and indeed contributing to Fiji from wherever they live. And what he has done, in fact, has in a way propelled movie making in Fiji. And I think we should all put our hands together for him, because generally they tend to get forgetted, the directors and the producers. I understand his lovely wife was also the executive producer, so I assume she controlled all the purse strings. But it's great to have that sort of teamwork, and thank you for contributing to Fiji. As he highlighted, the reality is that movie production has really excelled in Fiji in terms of the number of productions that have taken place, in particular over the past 3-4 years, and the interest that has been shown. We do have a long way to go, but we do have an amazing amount of talent. Some of the talent is very raw. We have the Kula Film Awards, we also have the Dance Awards, and I think all of that combining together with the fact that we have enormous interest being shown, we have such directors and producers like him who come to Fiji, and the interest is generated. Just to give you an example, movie productions in Fiji is not simply limited to only Bollywood. We recently had the Beauty and the Geek production that finished. It's been shot in Fiji, but shown worldwide. They spent something like $4.5 to $5 million in a span of a few weeks. Now, what that means is there's a huge amount of injection of capital or money into the local economy, and sometimes it's very localized. They shot the entire movie around Beach House. They're now going to shoot another production at the cost of about $7 million in the Mamanudas. So the job creation, it creates the fact that they pay VAT, we gain revenue from that, but also at the same time, as part of the 47% rebate that the Bainimarama government gives, one of the conditions is that they have to use students from Fiji National University. And you can see the result of this. We have these wonderful students from FNU who obviously are benefiting from it. And hopefully one day they will become producers and directors themselves and make international movies. Because that's precisely the type of talent we have that we need to eke out, that we need to engender, so we can make wonderful movies in Fiji. So I'd like to thank you once again for that. I'm sure you don't want to listen to a long speech. I've got a great movie to see. But thank you once again to all this talent. We are very, very supportive. The Bainimarama government is very much supportive of arts and culture, and we need to expand beyond what we've already been doing. And in this way, it helps a nation to become a lot more mature and be able to express our feelings, our needs, our wants on the movie screen, and to showcase what we are capable of. So thank you once again, Bimal, and the wonderful cast, and I'm sure it'll be a wonderful movie. Thank you. Naka.
लड़की तो हमें दुखी कर दे।